What is actually district energy and district heating? It's not really renewable, it's not fossil, it's not nothing. I mean, it's just hot water or cold water in a pipe. And whatever impact it would have on the environment is how you would heat that or cool that water. So it's really difficult to, I mean, everybody else is talking about renewables or fossil. It's like somebody else's discussion, and we of course need to be on that arena. But I mean, since we are reconsidering that discussion, I would say, and we try to take it on, but it's difficult. I mean, I would rather see district heating or district energy as like an open source infrastructure. I mean, it's not really about renewable, it's not really about fossil. Of course, you reduce greenhouse gases emission, and that is really important, but what you do is because you use the resources more efficiently. I mean, we all know that, and we all know it's very difficult to communicate, but anyway, it's because I know we have a lot of renewable, and you mentioned that, but I would say even more important, and we try to communicate that, we have almost 50% that is biofuel, and it's been mentioned also in a lot of these the applications, but I would say that 95, 98 maybe % of that bioenergy is waste. It's not a nice name, but I mean, it's residues from the forest industry, from anything around you. That's just an economical fact. You cannot take down a tree and burn it and try to make some money out of that, because it would never work. It's only economically viable if you do something else with that wood. You build a house or you make some paper or something, and you use the waste. Because it's such a low price thing with heat that you need to find low resource, and that means that you should use the resources that are sort of left over from society. I mean, the vision for our future is not to use any fuels, and we should use waste energy that's around. And that makes a different concept. You need to have a different business model for your business in the future if you will not have a plant. So if you will not have a power plant, how would you make your money? So we are sort of trying to guide our member companies into this new business model, where you need to realize that your business model has to be sort of an infrastructure model. It's more like having iTunes or having something else, that somebody else is providing services on your infrastructure. And that changes the way of your business model. Because district energy is everything about energy efficiency. It's just making the energy system more efficient, just using the resources that would otherwise go to waste. That's what we're about.